TMMI is situated on 1,160 acres. We're building 1,700 cars a day here.
We build the Sequoia, the Sienna, and the fabulous Highlander.
We're the only producer of the Highlander for North America, South America. Now we're going to be exporting to Europe and the Middle East, so it's huge. For us to prepare for a new model like this, we start 3-4 years prior to SOP. So what we'll do is we'll form some pilot teams. The pilot teams will go work with the designers to understand what's changing in the vehicle. Our responsibility from a pilot perspective is take what the designers have interpreted as the customer demands and needs, what they're going to change about the vehicle, and then interpret that into how do we need to prepare the shop.
The challenge, and quite frankly, it's an opportunity for us, volume is good on SUVs. So we have to continually keep producing the 2019 model year, in addition to not only moving new tools in, new equipment in, and teaching everybody on the 2020 Highlander. So we need everybody all in.
How frenzied does it get leaning up the line off? The devil's in the details, and it's all details, right? So there's a lot of little things that we've got to do to confirm that we're ready to launch.
It's an HV, it's going to get a heat shield bracket.
All the safety things, all the quality things, all the productivity things. How do we make sure we got the right spare parts? How do we make sure that we've got the tools in place? How do we make sure that the team members have been trained? How do we confirm that we have all the right quality checks? It's pretty frenzied.
If you pick both of them up, you're going to plug this one in, and then you're going to plug this one in, and that's going to save you about 2-3 seconds.
We will make you an industrial athlete. We're not going to come in and you automatically go to the line and you sink or swim, you try to learn it. But anytime they need additional training, we take them offline and we put somebody else back on there. They may go back to the training room and do some functional skills for the new 2020 Highlander.
There is a lot more pressure when you're out online. You have one shot to do it. So I want to make sure I train the team member so they have that one shot to get it right. Up here, they're entitled to mess up as much as they want. Down there, they don't have that chance.
Highlander all entered was 56.2 against the target of 43.
For OR, blue was 97.5 and gold was 99.7.
Trial update, of course, we've completed all the trial builds. We've built 135 shell bodies and weld shop.
So there's a secondary process that's got to be added to the supplier. So
and in September, which is 1 month prior to that trial, we will train everybody on those changes.
I'm excited. I know everybody's excited. Make sure you keep your teams excited because this is going to be the best launch in North America history.